friends, welcome to another unboxing. This is gonna be a fun one. This is a little Cybertruck, looks super cool. These things are a lot of fun. Let's check it out here. It's ready to run, 4-wheel drive, and it's got some serious torque and speed. Got a little manual here on top, our charger with a little screwdriver. Excellent packaging here. Check out the little Cybertruck top, very cool. All right, we got the car here. Couple of batteries right there in the bottom. Like I said before, excellent packaging. These things are so fun. It's got this little wheelie bar on the back. It's got full suspension on that. Little light in the front. This thing's just a blast. So we have the traditional little controller here, and that is it. We'll just put the top on. We got a couple of these little pins here. We just stick this on there. Gotta just line up this with that. So I gotta get a little side angle here, and there we go. So that just lines up just like that, snaps into place, and this just plugs in there, and you're ready to go. These things really are all-terrain. I mean, no joke. These things are beasts. It's got a wheelie bar on the back for a reason. You're gonna see that when I unleash this thing on the road, and it just, all 4 wheels will peel. It's got a ton of torque and power, and these things, they're small, durable, and just a lot of fun. So let's take it outside and show you what this little guy can do, my friends.
This thing's so cool. You're riding through tall grass.
Oh, what the? Dude, the inner part on it.
Dong.
Well, friends, as we can see, these things are just an absolute blast to play with. They got oil-filled shocks, metal gears. You can run into stuff. They're fairly durable. As you can see, there's pretty serious crashes here, and they hold up well. Just excellent suspension. The quality of the control is really good, up to like 300 feet range, I believe, 2.4 gigahertz on the 3-channel radio system. And yeah, these things are crazy. They're surprisingly quick, a ton of torque, and just an all-around, just a great little toy, guys. I highly recommend this. Thanks so much for watching this review. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys all next time.